In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to journal in Notion. We're going to set up a simple, reliable journaling system that you'll actually want to use every day. And I'll walk you through each part so it feels effortless. Start by creating a new page in Notion and choosing a database to store your entries. Pick the view that feels most natural to you right now. Table, list, or calendar. A table is great if you like a clean grid with columns you can sort or filter. A list is minimal and focused on each entry as a card. A calendar is perfect if you think in days and want to see your writing plotted by date. Don't overthink it. You can always switch views later. Next, set up a few core properties so each entry is consistent and easy to browse. Add a date property to timestamp your entries. This is the backbone of your journal and helps you track patterns over time. Add a tags property to label entries as morning or evening, which makes it simple to separate daily reflection from nightly wind-down notes. Then add a select property for your mood. Create a few options that make sense to you. Keep them simple so you'll actually use them. These lightweight fields make your database powerful without getting in your way to save time every day. Create a template inside the database. This is where you add prompt questions you want to answer regularly. Like what you are grateful for, a quick highlight of the day, or anything you want to watch over time. Include a short space for free writing and consider adding gentle instructions, such as one sentence is enough. You can also pre-fill the tags or mood fields if you usually journal at the same time of day. Once saved, this template becomes your one-click starting point. For a clear way to review your writing, use database views. Create a calendar view if you want a visual layout of your entries across the month, making it easy to spot streaks and gaps. Or create a list view to see a clean chronological feed. You can scroll through quickly, switch between views depending on whether you are writing or reviewing. Finally, turn on automation so your template repeats automatically. Set it to create a new entry every day, which removes friction and strengthens your habit. That's it, simple, structured, and tailored to you. Thanks for watching.